We begin with the race against Mother Nature. Thousands of Arizona COVID-19 vaccine appointments pushed back as winter storms delay critical shipments to our state. Our Cameron Polam following the vaccine progress every step of the way, from the trials to the arrivals and now into the arms of Arizonans. And right now at 4, he's learning some good news in the race to get our vaccinations back on track.
She was a little psyched up when I called. She said, I was psyched up.
This picture was taken the moment 81-year-old Marianne Paris got an appointment to receive the coronavirus vaccine back in January, getting her first dose through the federal retail pharmacy program at this Safeway near 3rd Street and McDowell. She was all set to receive her second dose Wednesday until this voicemail came in.
Due to weather issues, we'll have to reschedule your second dose appointment.
Her daughter Karen has been helping her along the way. She says they were also sent an email with her new time and date for next week.
They just rescheduled it for us, which kind of takes a little bit of the pain out of it, in my opinion.
She won't be the last to have this happen. Thousands of appointments in the state have been rescheduled already after winter storms delayed shipments of the vaccine coming out of Kentucky and Tennessee to Arizona.
Both of those hubs have had major disruptions. A lot of these flights going in and out have had major disruptions, so the product is not leaving.
Dr. Hani Mamasani, a logistics expert with Northwestern, says workers at those facilities can't get there either due to heavy snow and ice. He's in contact with folks in charge of the distribution efforts and says they're working frantically to get back in the air.
My understanding is every effort is being made to get back up to speed, and my sense was that out of Louisville, we might be seeing things start flowing within a day.
Maricopa County health leaders confirming that during a virtual press conference this afternoon.
We have been in conversations with the state, who is hearing that the federal government is going to be able to pack and ship the Moderna vaccine shipment that should have been here earlier this week today.
The state confirming Pfizer doses are on their way now, while appointments at some pharmacies in smaller counties have been rescheduled.
The delays in the weather and the shipments is not going to cause any appointments to be canceled.
For Karen and her mom, she's not holding the change of plans against them.
I said, well, Mother Nature will always win.
I'm Cameron Polam, ABC 15, Arizona.
Another vaccination change you need to know about. Maricopa County is set to close down 2 county-run vaccination sites, one at the end of February, the other in early March. County says this was part of their plan all along.
So our Dignity pod will be the first pod to close, and that closes the end of February, the last day in February, and then the Honor pod will be closing the following week, that first week of March.
This will not change the amount of vaccine the county receives, but it will allow it to be dispersed further into the community instead of doses going to more centralized locations.